Welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels, your trusted destination for the most incredible machines on wheels. Today, we're diving into one of the most mind-blowing luxury vehicles of the future, the 2025 Futuristic Double-Decker Glass Motorhome. And believe me, this isn't just a motorhome. It's a rolling palace from tomorrow. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you'll realize this is no ordinary RV. The entire structure looks like it came out of a sci-fi movie. Sleek edges, smart LED strips wrapping around the frame, and that jaw-dropping full-glass exterior. Yep, the upper deck is made almost entirely of reinforced smart glass, giving passengers a 360-degree panoramic view of the world around them. And don't worry, it's privacy-enabled and tint-adjustable with just a tap. Now let's talk about the brains behind this beauty. This futuristic RV is powered by an all-electric drivetrain that's not only ultra-quiet, but eco-friendly too. With a range of around 600 miles on a single charge, it's perfect for luxury road trips without a single drop of fuel. And get this, solar panels integrated into the roof help charge onboard systems even while parked. Step inside, and you're immediately greeted with a fully automated entrance and a grand lounge area with Italian leather seating, a holographic entertainment system, and touch-free climate controls. Everything can be adjusted via voice command or your smartphone, from lighting moods to interior temperature to window opacity. On the lower deck, you'll find a gourmet kitchen with smart appliances, a digital dining table that displays real-time travel stats, and a spa-style bathroom complete with a rainfall shower and smart mirror. There's even a hidden laundry compartment and plenty of space for storage. Climb the staircase, yes, a real spiral staircase, and you'll enter the upper glass lounge. This is where the magic happens. Imagine watching the northern lights, a desert sunset, or a coastal sunrise, all from the comfort of a climate-controlled, fully transparent sky cabin. It's the kind of luxury that redefines motorhome travel. And let's not forget the master bedroom, complete with a memory foam smart bed, retractable screens, and ambient lighting that syncs with your circadian rhythm for the best sleep on the road. The 2025 Futuristic Double-Decker Glass Motorhome isn't just about looks. It's smart, efficient, luxurious, and built for those who demand more from life on the move. Whether you're a digital nomad, a luxury travel enthusiast, or someone chasing the future, this motorhome is a dream turned reality. So, what do you think? Is this the future of RV travel? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more next-gen reviews right here on Honest Auto Wheels. See you in the next one.